Now you can make WhatsApp as your default calling app if you're using an iPhone and if you're on the latest iOS firmware. Normally what happens is when you call someone, your iPhone uses your cellular data network. But after this change, whenever you're going to call someone, your phone is going to call them through WhatsApp and it would not be using your cellular data network. And I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. So first of all, you need to make sure that you're on the latest firmware. Make sure that you are on iOS 18.4. Once you've done that, you need to go back to settings, scroll all the way down, look for apps and tap on apps, go to P and search for the option phone where it says phone, tap on phone. And here you're going to see the default calling app option. When I tap on it, you guys can see that currently it is set to phone. And I do have the option to change it to either FaceTime or WhatsApp. And if I select WhatsApp, whenever I'm going to call someone, the call is going to go through WhatsApp. It would not be using your cellular data network. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments section. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.